So you should have now completed that assignment, and obviously you'll have your controls all working whenever you press the F2 key. And if you have completed this assignment without looking at the other scripts, it's a good indication that you're making good progress and you're learning these things. And when it comes to you designing your own games, you're going to be really confident with writing scripts and knowing exactly what you're doing. Okay, so for the GUI, we've just changed this to press F2 for controls, and on the canvas we've included our new script. I've just called mine controls menu, okay, which is right there. So this is controls menu, so I've serialized the field for a game object. That's the actual menu itself, which I've called controls, and then obviously a private boolean called controls open, which is set to false to begin with. Now on start, I just make sure that this control is switched off to begin with. And then under the update, if input get key down, key code F2. So as long as we're pressing F2, if controls open is false, is already equal to false, we're going to switch the game object off, okay, and controls open is equal to true. Else if controls open is already equal to true, controls.gameObject set active to true, controls open false. In fact, they look like the wrong way around, don't they? So let me change these around. I think that's better. So they should always be the exact opposite of whatever's on the top there. Great, so this is what your script should look like. And inside of the canvas menu, attach that to there and just make sure that the controls panel is attached there. I'm actually I'm going to leave this on actually, so that when we start the game we can see that it won't actually be on to begin with. Great, so press F2 for controls, F2, and there it is. Okay, we've got our controls. F2 again, it switches off. Alright, so nice and easy. Great, so I think we're done with the inventory menu and the user interface for now. We're going to move on to our next section where we're going to be working on the initial game loop, which is going to feed us nicely into the stealth and combat mechanics.